Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 and today I'm going to show you how to turn on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to turn on your watch, we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, which takes, I would say, 10 seconds maybe. And once you see the HUAWEI logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which takes another 10 or 20 seconds. As you can see, now we're in the system, and that's how you turn on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.